Hello everyone, my name is Man. My full name is Man Wakhani and my student ID is S2233270995. And today I'm going to be explaining my D1 PYNB code, and here it is. So my start is clean and prepare the data. So I'm going to be explaining how I cleansed and prepared the data for analyzing videos and comments. So here it is. The clean_data function is designed to clean and prepare the videos and comments data for analysis. Let's walk through the code and explain each step. The first line, which is def clean_data, it takes three arguments, which are videos_file, comments_file, and then stop words, used for further text processing, but not used in this particular. It starts by loading the videos data from the provided file by using pd.read_csv and storing it in our data frame called videos. So the next thing is we move on to the clean videos data, which is it applies a series of transformation to the video_title column using apply function and regular expressions, which are re.sub. The first transformation removes punctuation marks, and the second one removes digits, and the third one converts the text to lowercase. These transformations are applied only to non-null string values. Then we go on to the video saving, which is here, saved clean videos data to a new CSV file, replacing the existing file, which is just saving and updating the data frame to the original file path, replacing the existing file. The to_.csv function is used with index equals to false to exclude the index column in the saved CSV file. The next is load comments data, which the function loads the comments data from the provided file path using pd.read_csv and stores it in a data frame called comments. The next thing we move on to is comments, clean comments data. Similarly, the clean comments data is cleaned by applying transformations to the comment_text column. It removes the punctuation marks, digits, and converts the text to lowercase. These transformations are applied only to non-null string values. Then we go on to is #remove duplicates. It is to ensure data quality. Duplicate comments are removed using the drop_duplicates function. This helps eliminate repeated or identical comments in the dataset. Lastly, remove rows with missing comment_underscore text. So any rows with missing values in the comment text column are removed, and yeah, that's it for the cleaning. And finally, it saves my code data cleaning process and into a new CSV file, replacing the existing file. Yeah, so now we move on to the first question of my which is E.1.2. I'm going to explaining my code. So yeah, let's walk through it. The code starts by reading videos.csv file, loading into a data frame called videos_df, and then it goes through calculating the total views, likes, and comments by publisher. Now the code performs a group by operation on the channel_title column of the videos_df data frame and calculates the sum of videos_count, like_count, and comment_count for each channel. The results are stored in the new data frame called videos_group_by_channels. The reset_index function is then applied to the reset index of the data frame, creating a new column index, which sequentially integers. Finally, the display function is used to show the resulting data frame with the total views, likes, and comments grouped by publisher. Then the code, which is here, creating subplots. So this figure size is set to 20,5 inches, and then subplots are stored in the axs variable. Then the first subplot is used to plot the total number of views by publisher. The bar function is called with channel titles on x-axis and then corresponding views count on the y-axis. Here you can see that is defined here, x-axis and y-axis. Then we move on to the next one, where the second and the third subplots are created, and the number of likes and comments by publisher. The code is repeated with appropriate columns names and plot titles, x-axis labels and y-axis labels. Then finally the code calls out plot.tight_layout to improve the spacing between the subplots, and plot.show, which is to display the plot. Overall the code reads the video's data and calculates the total views, like and comments grouped by publisher, and creates bar plots to visualize the results. Each subplot represents the total number of views and comments for each publisher. Yeah, so this is my presentation or visualization of the question E.1.2, and this is my observation. So now we move on to my next question, which I attempted in E1.6. So which is starting with the videos_df function. The line of the code calculates a ratio of likes to views for each video by dividing the like_count column by the view_count column. The result is stored in a new column called ratio of likes to views in the videos_df data frame. Then it goes to select the top 5 videos with highest like ratios, which shows here. So then the lines of the code sorts the videos_df by the ratio of likes to views column in the descending order, meaning the videos will be like highest, like the ratio will appear at the top. The .head bracket 5 function is then used to select top 5 videos with the highest like ratio. Then we move on to the next one, which is the display function is used to show the resulting data frame top_5_ videos, which contains the top 5 videos with the highest like ratio. It displays that. Then we go into the next one, which is this one, displays the URLs and likes comments. Yeah. So this code selects the specific comments like URL, like_count, view_count ratios of likes to views from the top_5 videos data frame, and assigns them to a new data frame called display info top_5 videos. The display function is then used to show this new data frame, providing the URLs of the videos, like their counts, views, according to the corresponding like to the ratios. The code analyzes the videos like ratios and sorts them to find the top 5 videos with the higher ratios and displays the relevant information. This analysis helps identify videos that have high engagement level relative to the lower levels. So my observations for this is, by calculating the ratios of likes to views, we can identify videos that have higher percentage like compared to the number of views they have received. These videos can indicate a high level of engagement from the audience. Analyzing these videos can provide insights into the content and resonates well with the audience, as they have received a relatively high number of likes as compared to the number of views. So yeah, this is my presentation, and we're gonna move to the next question, which is E2.2, and it's this one which I have attempted, and I'm going to be explaining this now. So let's walk through the code really quickly. This line, the first line, which is data comments_df, the line reads comments data from comments.csv file and stores it in the comments df data frame. Then the next line, which is new comments, actually the line removes the rows with missing values from the comments.dsv and assigns the result to new comments_df. Then a new line is added. This line adds a new column called comment_length to new comments.df, which then it calculates the length of each column. And these lines, then we go to the next one, which is videos_group_comments.df. These lines, videos_df data frame is based on video_id column. The resulting data frame is stored in videos_group_comment.df. Then the rows with missing values are dropped, and cleaned data frame is assigned to new_videos_group_comments.df. Then we go to the new videos group, which is convert the duration from this format to seconds, which just basically does is converts the values are stored in new duration underscore seconds, and it stores to a new data frame, which is dt underscore total underscore seconds function. Then we go to the next one, which is creating subplots for each channel, which is here. And then yeah, so these lines filter the new underscore videos group comments data frame to only include rows where channel title is Fox News. Then a scatter plot is created for the duration seconds, which you can see here. A scatter plot is created. So yeah, and similarly the steps performed for other channels BBC News and CNN and MSNBC to create scatter plots for each channel, which I have like 4 channels here, which is showing the scatter plot. So yeah, lastly the plot tight underscore layout shows the layout of subplots and display the plot. So yeah, this is my observation, and then we quickly move on to the observation of this. The analysis can provide insight into how video's duration influences audience engagement and type of content that generates more detailed or lengthy instructions. It helps to identify any variation in commenting behavior across different news channels and video lengths. So yeah, and then we go to the next one, which is this. And yeah, so this one, it goes to videos underscore df, and it shows into a new data frame, which I have mentioned here, videos underscore df. Then the extract minutes and seconds from duration column. It then extracts everything and results into a new stored columns. If the duration value is in format where hashtag represents numbers, the minutes and seconds are extracted by converted to minutes by multiplying the minutes by 60 and adding seconds. If the duration value is missing or in a different format, the duration underscore minutes value set is set to 0. Then comes the mean comment, where the line calculates average number of comments in the comment underscore count column. Then the result is printed. Then this videos underscore df is, this line adds a new column called determine to the videos underscore df data frame. It assigns the value lower to videos with a comment count lower than average and higher otherwise. Then comes the display bracket videos underscore df. This line updates the data frame showing the added duration underscore minutes and determine columns. Then comes the lower underscore comments underscore video line. This line filters and data frame to only include videos where the determined column is lower. This result is stored in the lower underscore comments videos data frame. Then goes to this create the scatter plot. These lines create a scatter plot using Seaborn, which is sns.rel plot for lower comments and videos. The data frame then goes to the x-axis and the y-axis represents the column underscore count. The plot is then customized with X labels with a title before being displayed using a plot.show. Then goes to the calculate the correction between duration and comment count. Then yeah, these lines select the duration minutes and comment count columns from the lower underscore comments underscore videos, the data frame, and stores them into a correct underscore df data frame. Then the correlation between these two columns is calculated using the Pearson correlation coefficient method equals to Pearson and stored into a correlation variable. Finally, the correlation matrix is displayed using display correlation. So yeah, this is my visualization and display. So I have also a scatter plot which shows here. And yeah, I guess that is it. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Yeah.